So here we have another quick unboxing video. This is so we can have a closer look up on these side repeaters. So what we have here is a set of smoked LED side repeaters. These are static flashing, so what we've got is a smoked lens on these. Now these fit most of the VG range, you know, such as Ibiza, Leon, Bora, Caddy Mark 3, VW T5s, Golf Mark 4s, etc. They are fully road legal, they are E-marked and MOT compliant. So now the protective film is off, what we have is, as you can see, a nice smoke lens powered by 3 LEDs. On the rear you've got a clip which holds it directly into the wing, and you also have just an end piece which pushes directly into the bulb holder on the vehicle. It's like imitating a capless bulb end, if that makes sense to you. So I'll quickly grab a 12 volt feed and we'll illuminate these just so we can demonstrate how they light up.